Wood here. I'm just standing outside the O.p.p office. I come to get paperwork to file attempted homicide charges to make it official against the Chief of Police, against Spencer Mills, against Staff Sergeant, and against Shannon Cork. And right now it is about 9 a.m. and I am fearing for my life right here standing outside of O.p.p. I just want to make that noted. I have had 389 days of being injured, tortured, brain damaged, lobotomized, arrest refusals, laughs and faces. So I want to make this official, and I'm standing outside of Lennox and Annington O.p.p to get the